Hello everybody, welcome back to the 3 Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily fix screen rotation not working on your Motorola Razr 70 Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is enable auto rotate in quick settings. So let's unlock our phone. Now we're gonna go over in here, and I got auto rotate right here. Now it is enabled and it is disabled now, so make sure that it's blue. And what are we going to do next is we're going to go over and test the gyroscope in different apps. So as you guys can see, we got the Play Store and it is working just fine. Of course, we got the messages and the phone. Everything works just fine, so there's no issues with that. As you guys can see, there's no issue with any of the apps. So that's how I know that my gyroscope is working properly. But if yours isn't, then I recommend you restarting your phone to reset the sensors. Press the power button, volume up button, and tap on restart. Now it is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what are we going to do as a last resort is update our software to fix the sensors. So we want to fix these sensor issues by updating our software. We go to settings and system updates, we tap on check for updates, and it is checking for updates automatically. So that's all you guys really need to do here. Make sure that you're on the latest version because you don't want any sensor glitches. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.